The 2025 Mazda RX-4 marks a dramatic return to Mazda's performance heritage, resurrecting a nameplate that hasn't been seen in decades. With the revival of the RX-4, Mazda delivers a powerful statement, one that blends classic rotary innovation with modern technology and design. While many automakers are moving swiftly toward full electrification, Mazda has taken a unique path by reintroducing the rotary engine in a hybrid configuration, offering something distinctly different in a rapidly changing automotive world. At the heart of the new RX-4 is a rotary-powered hybrid drivetrain that sets it apart from anything else on the market. The updated rotary engine, once famed for its high-revving character and compact size, now serves primarily as a generator in a plug-in hybrid setup. The main propulsion comes from an electric motor that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration, while the rotary engine recharges the battery or assists during high-demand situations. This combination not only improves efficiency, but also preserves the spirited driving dynamics that RX fans have always appreciated. In terms of performance, the 2025 RX-4 doesn't disappoint. The electric motor produces around 300 horsepower, allowing the coupe to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds. Power is sent to the rear wheels, maintaining the traditional driving feel that enthusiasts crave. Mazda has tuned the chassis for agility and response, incorporating a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity. The result is a car that feels light, nimble, and deeply connected to the road. Visually, the RX-4 is a stunner. It takes design cues from Mazda's Kodo philosophy, emphasizing motion and elegance even at a standstill. Long, flowing lines stretch across the body, while aggressive front-end styling and slim LED lighting give it a purposeful stance. A long hood, short rear deck, and wide fenders hint at the car's performance potential. The proportions are reminiscent of classic Grand Tourers, but with a modern twist that makes it feel current and forward-looking. Inside, the cabin strikes a perfect balance between driver focus and premium comfort. The minimalist layout keeps controls within easy reach, while high-quality materials like Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and leather create a refined atmosphere. A digital instrument cluster and wide infotainment screen provide essential information, and connectivity features including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation. Mazda's latest driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a head-up display for added convenience and safety. What makes the RX-4 particularly compelling is its emotional appeal. It's not just about performance figures or technology, it's about bringing back the thrill of driving. Mazda has always prioritized the connection between car and driver, and the RX-4 embodies that philosophy perfectly. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway, the RX-4 offers a uniquely engaging experience. Pricing for the 2025 RX-4 is expected to start in the mid-$40,000 range, making it a strong contender in the affordable performance coupe segment. With its rotary electric hybrid system, sharp handling, and standout design, the RX-4 is poised to attract both longtime Mazda fans and a new generation of enthusiasts looking for something different in the world of high-performance cars.